decides to leave work early to go drinking with his friends. He is to return home by 11 p.m. as agreed with his wife. However, as you know, it usually happens otherwise. He went on one drink after the other with great company of his friends and ended up finishing at around 3 a.m. And yes, he is pitch drunk and unfortunately tripped into a thorny bush on his way back home. He quietly makes his way into the bathroom, notices his face all scarred up, reaches out to the first aid kit, carefully puts on the bandage and crawls into the bed. He feels all accomplished as he succeeded by not waking his wife up. The next morning, the wife is staring at him as he opens his eyes. "Were you drunk last night?" she asked. He said, "Just 2 beers, honey, as usual. Just got a little late with deep talks with my buddies." Wife says, "Well, if you weren't drunk, then who put all the band-aids on the bathroom mirror?" Yes, the man carefully applied the bandage to the reflection in the mirror. Similarly, you often try to fix the world around you when in fact you have to be fixing yourself. The world is merely a reflection of who you are and how you show up. The change has to happen in you and not necessarily in the environment. That brings us to the question, what is one change that you want to make in the way you are that will show a positive difference in the way you experience life?